Alright folks, this video is in 8K. Here comes San Joaquin train 718 to the final destination of this train is Bakersfield. Now this is it. Here she comes now. NPCU. Nice, one of my favorite NPCUs. Nice. And F59PHI, I think 2001? Alright, anyways. Nice horn show. Just listen to that beautiful horn. Anyways, the train continues on to Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco, and the final destination of this train is Bakersfield. At Bakersfield Station, there are bus connection services towards Southern California, including downtown LA's Union Station in Los Angeles. Yep, passing by my hometown of Fresno, folks. Thank you all for watching, and I'm out. Till next time, see ya.